Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a GE CleanSpeak dryer and you're getting an F04 error on it and it's probably not working if you're getting that, and you're wondering what this is and what you need to do to get rid of it. So this is, I would say, a moderately easy issue to deal with. This F04 is when the output thermistor is, the outgoing thermistor is faulty, which the thermistor is basically the air temperature sensor, the thermometer on the air coming out of the dryer, that is faulty. So if you've done a hard reset on the dryer, which is to disconnect it from power for a full minute, and you're still getting it when the error persists when you come back, you want to replace the thermistor. So I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to how you can replace the thermistor on a GE dryer. Like I said, it's moderately easy to do. And I'll also put a link to where you can actually get the thermistor. You just want to check and make sure your specific model, whether the thermistor is compatible with your specific model. But once you get that thermistor replaced, you should be able to get rid of this F04 error and get your dryer working again. Thanks a lot for watching.